Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, gonna be drinking, smoking, and swearing. If you don't like those things, well, you have been warned. Look, because here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, of course it is. All right. We got a good one today. All right, brothers, sisters, yes, all of us. Look, today's the big day. Today's the big day. As you're listening to this, it's probably happening right now. It's now 3:55 in the a.m. But when you listen to this, it's probably going to happen right now. Bang! The crypto hearings in Congress happen today. Oh, I'm all over it. And I'll be tweeting the link to the live stream during the day. So stick around. Keep eye open for that link, that tweet. I'm going to tweet it. Yes, tweet the link. Look. And then we're going to talk about ErisX futures are coming. Bang. And they said that they are having tremendous interest. There's tremendous interest. Bang. Yes. We need that money. And finally, the Bank of China. Oh, I told you. So China's coming. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about that when we get there. All right. So let's just be. But you remember, boys, I told you last year, right? What I tell you about China. It's not that they banned. Let me just say it quickly. They banned crypto for a second. Yeah, so they could wrap their head around it. Yes, and then they're going to release it slowly and nicely to their people. Look, we're going to talk about it. Bang. So let's do how we begin. Boom. Let's begin how we begin. Let's get the show on the road. Boom. Look. Do a refresh. That's how we begin. All right, where we at? 9,499 on the Bitcoin. Boom. And we were at 10,091. So basically down $500. All right, down $500 over the weekend. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Yeesh, it's all red. Barely red, though. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects of the day, brothers. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, Tether, EOS, Bitcoin SV, and Bang Stellar holding on the number 10 strongly. Yes. Look. Single digits up, single digits down, brothers. Yes. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Where's that V-chain at? Oh, $5,500 gets you a million V-chain. Look. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. All right. Let's look who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale, son. Look. Bang. Top 10 lose of the day. Japan Content, Clipper Coin, ABBC Coin, Chainlink, Ravencoin, Nano, Ren, Agrisha, Basic Attention, and Komodo. Bang. Let's see who made money today, brothers. Look. Top 10 winners of the day, brothers. Lambda, Qcoin shares, Crypto.com, Chain, MadeSafe Coin, Educare, Unus, Said, Leo, U Network, GX Chain, Alpha and Soft. Yes. Let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers. What we got? What we working with? 262.7 on the day, brothers. We got 262.7. Oh, yeah. All right. We took a hit. Well, obviously. So last time I left you on Saturday, it was 278.3. So we are down a hefty 16 billion. So the total volume of the day. Fucking volumes are going down, man. That's what I don't like. I don't like volumes going down. Prices up and down, I really don't give a shit about until the institutions arrive. But I'd like to see more of growth in volume. 45.5 in total 24-hour volume, guys. And when I left you on Saturday, we were at 49.1. So compared to then, we are down, let's call it 4 billion in volume. Look, so let's begin the show, brothers and sisters. Yes. You know I'm always thinking of you, ladies. Look. Yes. Bang. Circle CEO to testify before Congress, Senate on blockchain and digital assets. Yes, that's tomorrow, man. So this is awesome. Wow. you're watching this tomorrow. Well, it's 4 a.m. right now as I'm talking to you, literally 4 a.m. on the dot. So by the time you're watching this, I mean, I don't know what country you're in, but look, this thing's coming out today. Like I said, this is a cryptocurrency and blockchain hearing, not about Libra. And that's what I mean. That's why Libra, I told you guys, I think that Facebook thing is the best thing to happen in crypto. Yeah, they announced that shit. Bang, now we have hearings. Now we have fucking hearings. Crypto's been here the whole time. Yeah, no hearings, huh? Oh, you want hearings now, don't you? Yeah, that Libra thing scared the politicians. Scared them. They don't know the implications. They don't know what's going on. All they know is Facebook's a big monster and they're going to make their own money. It blew their brains. So, which is amazing because now, it makes them face the issue. All right, well, if you don't like this Libra thing or whatever, all right, well, regulate crypto. Regulate it. Now, let's get the show on the road here. That's what we've been waiting for. Come on. I've been sitting here for a while waiting for this. So look, it's good news. Wow. It's only one hearing, so let's not, I don't want to blow it out of proportion. But look, brothers, I know. But I will tell you this. This is a good but here. This means the ball's rolling. The ball is rolling. They're taking it serious. And this is the banking committee in the Senate. Yeah, get a little fuel. Let's talk about this. This is good stuff right here. Because what they're going to, they'll probably just try to do an end around. They'll probably just be like, oh, yeah, you motherfucker, Facebook, watch this. We're just going to regulate crypto. And then you have to fit within our rules. Great. That's great for us. I don't know that. That's complete speculation what I just said. But I could see it, right? Them rushing to make the rules to sort of contain Facebook, but which will release us, release the institutional investors. Once the institutional investors know, what the regulations are, the tax implications and everything, then they're going to come, right? So I really can't emphasize it enough. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. I'm telling you, it didn't look like fuck all was going to go on until that. Oh, and so, Circle CEOs to testify before Senate on blockchain digital assets. So this is what, here in America, the hearings, everything are open, right? We have what's called transparency. So the public, we get to see what happens in Congress, for the most part. The open hearings anyways, not the classified shit or anything. And so, and what happens is these guys submit their statements to the Congress before this hearing happens, right? And so we're going to hear what the guy's going to say to the senators tomorrow, okay? So listen to this. Circle co-founder and CEO, whatever, man, Jeremy Allaire, is scheduled to testify before Congress tomorrow as a representative of the Blockchain Association. So there's going to be 3 people on the panel tomorrow. This guy, a lady, and some other dude. I think they go into it here, right? Shit. This isn't the one. But there's a lady. Fuck. And then there's this other expert guy. Anyway, let's just go on here first. Circle co-founder and CEO Jeremy Allaire is scheduled to testify before Congress tomorrow, or today, as you're watching this today, of the blockchain as a representative of the Blockchain Association, a business organization comprised of blockchain industry advocates. Allaire will testify before the Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs in an open session hearing called Examining Regulatory Frameworks for Digital Currencies and Blockchain. In his prepared testimony released on July 29, Allaire is prepared to discuss a number of relevant issues, including identity, privacy, data security, domestic and international approaches to regulation, as well as the potential of blockchain solutions for finance in the near future. Allaire is also calling on Congress to create new policies that are specifically tailored to digital assets. Writing. So this is what he handed this into the Congress. So this is what he's going to tell Congress tomorrow. Congress should adopt national policies. Exactly, national, not these state-by-state patchwork policy. We need just the national thing, just like our stock market. It's national. The rules apply in New York the same as they do in California. Congress should adopt national policies that define and establish digital assets as a new asset class and develop appropriate rules and exemptions for digital assets. This will require legislation that likely changes our existing commodities, securities, and banking laws, among others. Such policy should have the effect of enabling rapid technology progress within the context of sound risk management. And so he's saying, yeah, man, it's a whole new, that's the whole big deal about what he's going to say tomorrow, is that it's a new asset class and you have to create a whole structure around that, right? Remember, excuse me. Remember Jay Clayton? He's the chairman of the SEC. He said we're not going to do violence to our securities laws. In other words, we're not going to change our securities laws. These crypto things have to conform to our laws. And what this guy's saying is like, look, man, it's a new asset class. You got to look at it as a new asset class and just come out with new rules for it. The stubborn old rules for regular companies, your Boeing, your Fords, your whatever, Caterpillar, whatever, aren't going to work. But he also said, but do it within the context of sound risk management. So, of course, regulate soundly, so people don't get ripped off, right? Naturally. So, United States, falling behind on blockchain? What a sneaky little question. So, underpinning Alair's call to action is a fear that the United States will fall behind the rest of the world in blockchain development if it does not establish better policies. Alair followed up his request by highlighting this fact, saying, so this is what he's going to say tomorrow, without a sound, pragmatic, and agile national policy framework for digital assets, I am concerned that the United States will not be the world's leader in this critical new technology, that it will continue to fall behind, and that it will not fully reap the benefits of the economic transformation that digital assets will bring. Ooh. That sounds like a little scaremongering, really. Just because you don't regulate doesn't mean that VeChain can't come and help you authenticate your stuff here. All right. As previously reported by Cointelegraph's, hold on. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, pro-blockchain congressman Darren Soto and Ted Budd, these are American congressmen, issued a joint statement in December on how blockchain and virtual currencies have the potential to bolster the U.S. economy, saying virtual currencies and the underlying blockchain technology has a profound potential to be a driver of economic growth. That's why we must ensure that the United States is at the forefront of protecting consumers and the financial well-being of virtual currency investors, while also promoting an environment of innovation to maximize the potential of these technological events. So bang, all right, but look, the big important thing is tomorrow's testimony, boom, is going to be in the Senate, and they are going to explain to Congress why we need crypto. They're going to explain to Congress why we need crypto, and it's going to be that guy Alair, a lady. She's going to talk about what is she going to talk about again? She's going to talk about crypto in the on the international level, and then there's going to be, I don't know, he's like a scientist or something. I don't know. He's going to talk about it for like the unbanked and kind of stuff like that. Well, all right, so there it is. That's tomorrow, or today, actually, probably in a few hours from now. So I'll have it up there for you, and we'll talk about it. Bye. Now, boom. Let's talk about this. Here's the ErisX futures. And so they're saying they're seeing tremendous interest. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Tremendous interest in TD Ameritrade's BTC futures. ErisX coming. So look, let's check it out. Major online trading platform TD Ameritrade claims it has seen strong interest in their Bitcoin futures, while its partner in crypto asset exchange ErisX is on target with all their goals for 2019. TD Ameritrade provides investing and trading services for 11 million client accounts that total more than 1 trillion US dollars assets. All right, USD 1 trillion in assets, and custodial services for more than 6,000 independent registered investment advisors. The company has seen tremendous interest. This is what they're saying. Tremendous interest since launching their Bitcoin futures product in 2017. It informed cryptonews.com, adding that 60,000 clients have traded some type of crypto product with the platform this year. When it comes to their clients who are trading Bitcoin futures, the majority are 45 plus years or older, with higher levels of investable assets. Yeah, they're the people with the money. Kids don't have money, which shows more mainstream interest. TD Ameritrade states that they're committed to make a prudent and responsible entry into the crypto space with a focus on education. Last October, TD Ameritrade invested in ErisX, a regulated derivatives exchange and clearing organization that includes digital asset futures and spot contracts. The company considers this strategic investment as a way to show their commitment to the innovation and bring our clients a best-in-class investing and trading experience. Now, Matt Trudeau, Chief Strategy Officer at ErisX, told cryptonews.com that they have built foundational exchange and clearing infrastructure to address offerings for cash transactions, as well as a regulated futures exchange and a clearinghouse to provide hedging and risk management tools. They got all the goods, all the bells and whistles, all the things the big boys want, hedging and everything. Look, these are complementary offerings, he adds, which will enable trading of both spot and futures on a single infrastructure, leveraging intermediary services that investors and individual traders have come to expect from the traditional markets. Exactly, you're going to make this place turn crypto land into a normal place. Yes. All right, so blah, blah, blah. Here are some of their targets. All right. ErisX said that they are on target with all of their 2019 goals. So, number one, to launch their spot market, which they did with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin in April as planned. Bitcoin, like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, as you know, as I've been telling you, well, those are the only 4 regulated cryptocurrencies here in America. That's all they can play with. So, number 2, their goal, receive their license from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, to operate a derivatives clearing organization, which they were granted on July 1st. Nice. Yes. Now, and this is the motherfucker right here, and we read about it, what was it, on Saturday, right? Here they go. Now they need to get their BIT license from the who? The New York Department of Financial Services. We talked about them. The NYDFS, brothers. That's what BACT is waiting for. Their NYDFS approval. Fuck. Oh, my gosh. Which they are working on to further extend their spot offering. And they will launch their physically delivered. Bang! Why? Why are you so happy about physically delivered futures, Shamari? Look. Because that means they take them off the market. Yeah. Once the contract date's up, boom, all sorts of Bitcoin are going to be flying off the markets. Physically settled futures means you get the actual product, right? The CME futures that we talk about, yeah, that's bringing liquidity. But those guys get paid in cash. It doesn't really do anything for the price of Bitcoin. It adds liquidity to the market. So, okay, yay, I get to say, hey, we're up a couple more billion in liquidity. Or what do we call it? What's it called again? Market cap. We're up a couple billion in market cap. Yeah. But who gives a shit? That doesn't do anything to the price of the Bitcoins underlying because there's still the same amount of Bitcoin just sitting there. Now, with physically settled futures, all those coin come off the market. And so these guys said, so they have a spot market. They have a spot market in Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and blah, blah. You know, the usual, the four that are regulated here. You know that they're going to make a futures market for those. Of course. They've already had the spot market for them. They're gonna launch futures for it. So it's going to be great. That's why you get your large caps, get your large caps if you can afford them. Look, physically settled. Here we go, brothers. Here comes the money. Trudeau said that ErisX will continue to work closely and collaboratively. What is this thing? It's fucking stupid shit right there. Trudeau said ErisX will continue to work closely and collaboratively to get the proper licenses and help provide clarity and certainty, regulatory clarity for their members. He added that their experience with the CFTC has been a positive one, and that it's a testament to their approach that they looked at their core principles and rules and figured out how these can be extended to digital assets. It's true, right? The SEC hasn't approved fuck all yet. Yo, the CFT is just bang, approved, bang, approved, bang, approved, bang, approved lately, right? Holy, right? In the past, what was it, about the past 2 months, right? Everyone's launching, right? And so, man, the SEC's got to lighten up a little bit. Look, finally, ErisX is monitoring regulatory, market structure, and international developments, said Trudeau, because for the near term, the company is focused on offering futures products and services under the CFTC jurisdiction while continuing its evaluation of strategic opportunities for revenue growth, building on our core assets. Of course you are. And so, what's good, though, is they're saying that they are seeing strong demand. They have strong demand, and all it is we got to wait. Once they get their approval, boom, here come the institutional investors. Same with Backed. Once they get their right? This is the same one, right? We talked about it the other day with Backed. Backed is waiting for their NYDFS approval, right? New York, the New York Department of Financial Services approval. Once Backed gets the NYDFS approval, once these guys get NYDFS approval, boom, we are on the way. Wow. I mean, it's one step. I don't want to exaggerate too much, but yeah, but we are on the way. Yes, every journey starts with the first step. Boom. And, we're past the first step. We already have futures. So this will be the second step in the journey, but we're on the way. We will be. Let's just keep an eye out to make sure we get these NYDFS approvals, brothers. Look, ErisX, TD, buy, yes, now, boom. Bitcoin news, China warming to crypto, bans no longer for it. Exactly. Let me talk about this, motherfucker. We talked about this last year. I know how markets work. Obviously, I'm a market guy. I'm a 19-year investor. And so last year when I heard, you guys remember, the brothers that were here, you guys know, but if you're new here, so last year what happened is, yeah, China banned all this crypto stuff. Yeah, but then they came out with this list every month of the 35 best crypto projects. You can't fool Shamari. I've been in this game too long, son. China, I'll tell you right now what China is doing. Yeah, China, it's a one-party system, right? So if anything goes wrong, yeah, you get blamed, right? It's not like here. If something goes wrong, yeah, the Republicans pointed the Democrats, they did it. The Democrats pointed the Republicans, nah, it's their fault. Yeah, well, in China, there's no one to point at except the Communist Party of China. So they have to be very careful because they don't want unrest. They don't want they don't want people getting angry, right? Like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? And so, because when you're a one-party system, everyone knows, well, you're the one to blame, right? And so with the crypto stuff, they saw that a bunch of, people were getting ripped off left and right here in America and Europe through the ICOs, and they were like, nah, we can't have our people getting ripped off like that. And so they banned everything, right? But then they came out with that list, right? We've done it here. We've read it here a bunch of times, right? Every month, it's 35 cryptos they come out with that, and they rate them. Yeah, they rate them in terms of, this and that criteria. I don't remember the criteria. Anyways, bottom line is what I told you, brothers. China's not banning crypto. They stopped it for a second so they could get their head around it, so they could wrap their head around this whole crypto thing. And now they're going to release it slowly. And what they're going to allow, and I'm telling you right now what's going to happen. So they banned the exchanges, they banned all that. They're going to allow exchanges and everything. But you see that list that they have, that one they have every month of the best cryptos? They're only going to allow those. ICOs, fuck all that. White papers, fuck all that. Once your blockchain is up and running and you're making money, then they're going to allow their citizens to invest in it. And, because then, no one can be blamed. You can't blame the Communist Party for allowing something to scam you, right? It's not saying that you're going to make money. You could lose your money, but it's not a scam, right? Like I always tell you guys, look, man, I lose trades all the time. Yeah, every week I lose a couple trades, right? Yeah, but I'm not scammed, right? I'm not cheated, so fuck, I take a hit and, it's a gentleman game. All right, you got me this time, fuckstick. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll do this again and let's see who wins now, right? Let's see who wins tomorrow, fuckstick. Look, so, but the point being though is, and so what I'm trying to tell you guys, I guess, is I am very bullish on China. Yes, there it is. There's the truth. Shamari, what are you trying to say? What I'm trying to say, brothers, is China. 1 in 5 people on Earth are Chinese. Bang, look, bang, look. 1 in 5 are Chinese. And I'm telling you this. Here they come. Yeah. Here they come, brothers. Slowly. In a regulated, in a slow rollout. But like I told you, you brothers that were here last year, remember I told you guys, they were doing this, right? And Justin, you told us the darkness. He told us, right? The Chinese are educating their people first, then going to let them get crypto. Oh, and I'm going to show you an education like a motherfucker right here. I'm going to show you all about the education. Oh, you think I'm kidding? I got a whole slideshow. Oh, yeah. Shamari's got the goods. I dug around. I was like, this is too good. I had to dig. That's how I do it, brothers. That's what makes you a good investor. You got to dig harder than the other guy. Get that key piece of knowledge that the other guy doesn't have. And then pull the trigger, motherfucker. Look, here we go. Bitcoin news. China warming to crypto. Bans are no longer in force. Now, check this out. Oh, and I'm not fucking with you. I got a slideshow. We're going to do it right now. We're going to watch it. We're going to read it together. We're not going to read the slideshow, but I am going to show it to you. It's in Chinese. Yes, I'm a little rusty on my Chinese. I'm a little rusty right now. Look, China has had a strenuous relationship with Bitcoin so far. It has been among the countries that have been stern about cryptocurrencies ever since the ban on crypto-related activities since 2017. Things were just heating up too fast. They were like, look, we got to slow down. That's all. Don't worry. The local press had reported in September 2017 that the country had officially banned cryptocurrency trading, which resulted in various crypto-based businesses like Huobi, OKCoin, and BTC China shutting down their shops in the country. This, in turn, stripped China of its position as the global leader in crypto development. However, there have been some recent developments which could make one believe that China's opposition to cryptocurrencies might be dwindling. Oh, I'm telling you, there is no fucking opposition. There is a slow rollout to the citizens. A slow rollout. A slow, steady, measured rollout to the citizens of China. China loves blockchain. I remember back, I told you guys, like I knew about blockchain and shit since 2011. And I remember back in 2014, China was already saying how they loved blockchain, like way back then. Yeah, I remember that shit. So All right. So let's just read on. Bank of China shares Bitcoin infographic. So here it is. The state-owned Bank of China, one of the 4 biggest state-owned commercial banks in the nation, has now. Do you understand? State-owned. Okay, I need to get this across to you. State-owned Bank of China. This is the government's bank. Okay, this isn't a private bank. This is the government's bank. State-owned Bank of China. Do you understand? This is the Communist Party's bank. Well, one of them. They have many, actually. They have a lot of SOEs, state-owned enterprises, but this is one of them. And SOEs, state-owned enterprises. The state-owned Bank of China. So this is from the government's mouth. From the government's mouth. One of the 4 biggest state-owned commercial banks in the nation has recently published an infographic related to Bitcoin on its website on July 26th. The infographic demonstrates illustrations of the entire story of Bitcoin so far, starting from the publication of its white paper in 2008 to mining the first 50 Bitcoin in 2009, the 10,000 Bitcoin that was spent on pizza in 2010. That's why I'm telling you, don't go wasting your crypto on coffee, or you're going to be so famous, people are going to be talking about you. Up until the announcement of Facebook's Libra. Bang! That's the infographic. So here it is. Boom! Here's the infographic. This is the state China's infographic. Wait, what is it? What is it? Bank of China's infographic right here. And so they go through the history. Bitcoin. Beep, beep, beep. Look, they got a picture of Justin Sun in it. They got a picture of this guy. I don't know who that is. They got some people. Boom, boom, boom. And so what we'll do, and then, and it goes through the history, mining, right? It shows them, how does Bitcoin work? Well, you mine this stuff. Blah, 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 and then this, and then it went up to 12,500, 6,500, so this is the Bank of China, okay? State-owned, you understand? So they're teaching their people about it. And so what that tells me, let's try to translate this page. Let's see what happens. If we can do it. How can I do it? How do you do that? Anyway, fuck it. So look, but that's the infographic, okay? This is the infographic. I'm going to have a link to it, so if you want to link to it and check it out. So look, apart from these, the demonstration does a great job explaining why the value of Bitcoin is increasing while talking about factors like limited supply and increasing mining difficulty. Limited supply, baby. Scarcity. Look. That's why your Bitcoin, your Litecoin, your Ethereum. Bang! Scarcity. Wait, is it Ethereum too or just Litecoin? Hold on, let me look. Let me remember. How do we do this? Yep. Yeah. Bitcoin, Litecoin. Yeah, exactly. Scarcity. Exactly. Look, and when these futures come, and that's what was so great about this, ErisX's Bitcoin futures here. Yeah, because what are they? These are, where is it? Bang. Physically delivered. Yeah, that means they take them out of the market. When you when you do a futures contract with these guys, when the contract is up, bang, you get the Bitcoin. Right? So that takes them out of the market. And so that creates, it's what the Chinese are actually educating their people about. Man, these Chinese guys are great, man. These guys are being nice. Right? They talk to them about the limited supply, the scarcity. They're teaching them everything, man. Here come the Chinese brothers, and that's what we need. 1 in 5 people on Earth, brothers. Look. They teach them a bunch of other shit. All right, fuck all that. They even taught them about Mount Gox and all this kind of stuff. Like everything, they just tell them the whole history because they want them to be educated and then say, okay, so we're going to let you have this, or we're going to let you invest in it, but now you know the consequences, right? Which is good, right? It's not like here in America, right? Like people just invested in a bunch of white papers and ICOs and just got ripped off, right? A lot of people did. So, growing positive sentiment surrounding the Chinese crypto industry. There have also been several reports that hint towards mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency in the provinces of China. Walmart China has recently joined forces with VeChain, a distributed ledger technology product, to launch Walmart China blockchain traceability platform. China's Hangzhou Internet Court. Oh, yes. And we read about this. The Hangzhou Internet Court earlier this month has found that Bitcoin is a commodity as it carries value, is scarce, and can be used as a means of transferring value even though it does not have the legality of an official currency. Exactly. Told you guys, store of value. Store of value. That's what it's going to be about, brothers. Yeah, you can fuck all that coffee buying shit. Look. Revolutions don't always happen how you want them, brothers. Look, reports from local media outlet South China Morning Post states that China's central bank, the People's Bank of China, is possibly working to develop a state cryptocurrency. Yes indeed. India says they're coming out with one in 2023. According to Wang Xin, director of the People's Bank of China, Facebook's cryptocurrency Libra could have a major impact on monetary policies and financial stability. This has forced China's central bank to step up in research on developing its own cryptocurrency. Ren Zhengfei, the chief executive of Chinese phone maker Huawei, voiced in support of this event and called for the country to issue its own cryptocurrency. All right, whatever, fine. So, but bang, look. What's good about this is that the state-owned Bank of China has come out with a nice little educational tool for the citizens. That's right. This is the state. That means the government is teaching its people all about crypto. I'm telling you right now, I bet you they're gonna allow some. I told you last year, and I'm gonna tell you again. What they're gonna do is, what I think is, they're educating their people now, and now getting the people interested. So the people are like, oh, what is it? And then they're gonna allow exchanges to start offering cryptocurrency products. But what they're gonna do is they're not gonna allow any crypto. Let me tell you. Like Shamari, I tell you, what do I always tell you guys? Just buy revenue generating crypto. If your shit ain't generating revenue right now, you're just kind of investing in a hope and a prayer. I mean, it's a new market, so I know I'm a little strict, but I know there's a lot of, you got to have a little hope in this place because it's so new. But yeah, what China's gonna do? Fuck hope. Your shit's got to be doing something, and anything that's doing something, anything that's generating revenue, the Chinese are gonna allow that to go. Like VeChain. Here you go. Buy all the VeChain you want. IOTA. Buy all you want. Stellar. Buy all you want. Chainlink. Buy all you want. SingularityNet. Buy all you want. Yeah, because why? Generating revenue. They're real companies. They're not scams. And so the citizens, if they lose their money, well, they can't blame China. The government itself, the Chinese party itself, because, they're revenue generating products, right? So that's what's happening, guys. China is going to come on board. Man, I wish I had that translate thing, man. Fuck. Anyway, man, fuck. All right, look. All right. So, boom. Let's get shout outs. Got a notification right here. Who's notifying me? BTM. What's he talking about? BTM. Singapore. So, first of all, BTM. Look, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. All right. So, CB Newswire. Singapore's proposal to exempt crypto from a goods and service tax with like crypto-related businesses. Yes, indeed. No taxes in Singapore for crypto. Is Singapore part of our nation? No, but they're doing good stuff. So look, bang, Singapore. See you guys. And BNM, see you, of course. Yes. Tommy Mustache. Bang, see you, brother. Poppy Wood. Oh, Poppy Wood showed this. I guess he's gambling. I guess he's going to play some poker tonight here. Right? You got the poker tables here. He said the tables are filling up quick. You're lucky to find an empty seat on the small tables. I had zero experience in online poker, so I just jumped right in. Oh, my gosh. Just throwing your money at it. Poppy Wood. Bang, Poppy. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Poppy. He's having a good old time in Tron Town. Look, look. Hurricane Master. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Whoops. We went all the way in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are we going all here? Shit. All right, hold on. I went a little crazy there. All right. What's this guy's name? New follower. Kellen. What are you talking about, Kellen? Dedicated crypto enthusiast. Bang. Supporter of the cannabis industry. Yes. Halo social meetup ambassador, British Columbia. Bang. Oh, I used to live in Vancouver. Yes, I used to go to Capilano College. Bang. I used to live in North Van. Bang. Kellen, love you, brother. Bang. See you, brother. Yes, fellow Canadian. Look, look. What's Poppy Wood? Oh, this shit. All right, let's just see that. If there's a thing you need to see today, it's this human versus dog noodle eating. Whatever. Let's just look. Yo, that dog smoked. Oh, and stole his shit. All right. That's so silly. Look. Dog ate his own noodles and then jacked that kid for his. That was funny. Look, kid. I don't have no competition with a dog. Look, DP Entertainment. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Yes. What do we got? Infinitus Tech. Bang. See you, brother. What do you got? Robin Yarsley. What is this guy talking about? Tech consultant, digital marketing specialist, winner of Startup Weekend, Ireland. Yes, good brother. Interoperability. We love some interoperability. You must be a Chainlink holder. Look. And then he's got some other stuff. Look. Robin. Bang. See you, brother. What do we got? Who's this guy? Bitcoin Louie. Louie, what are you talking about? Ethereum blockchain enthusiast and content creator. Yes. Lead community manager. Yes. Blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Look. Great, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Biniam. Always bringing the knowledge. What you got today, Biniam? Well, what more do you have, I should say? Oh, yeah. All this bullshit. Bitstamp. Is it Bitstamp? Wait, Bitstamp. The world's longest running exchange, Bitstamp, will soon allow deposits and withdrawals in GBP. That's the British pound. Yes, there you go. There you go, Brits. Look. If you're queen and country, get your crypto on. Bang, and then Hamburg. What's this? And the Swiss. All right, whatever. That's no big deal. Sarah. Who's Sarah? Look, Sarah. Bang, see you, girl. What do you got here? Crypto surfer, United Stand. What is it? Riding the waves of life. Trying to be a positive influence in the world. But if you act like a soy boy, I will call you out. Well, all right, buddy. Bang! See you, brother. Oh, calling me out. Ooh, I'm scared of crypto guy. Look! Burks, big drop. Bang, bang. See you, brother. Bang, bang. Yeah. Brent Freeman. Bang. See you, brother. Where's all the usual suspects? Where's everybody? Who's this chick? Inez Simmons, student, web maven, zombie aficionado, extreme TV fanatic, yeesh. Alcohol guru. Yes. Look, sweetie. Inez, alcohol guru. You like a little rocket fuel? Yes, indeed. Good girl. An incurable social media specialist. Bang, see you, sweetie. All right, we got Damien Demiza. Bang, see you, guy. Brother. Yes. We got, there's Moonland. Oh. Moon landing on all stupid. Moon landing. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. And he put this. Y'all got any of that V-chain? With the crackhead. I need a little V-chain. Look. Hey, you better be looking like that, boy. Look, if you don't have any V-chain in your fucking portfolio, son, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. You're not here to make money. Like, are you here to make money? Or are you here to just love stuff? I mean, look. I don't tell people what to do with their money. I'm just saying, though, in my opinion, but I do give my opinion. So my opinion, if your motherfucker's talking about trying to be here to make money, and they don't have V-chain in their portfolio, well, they're not really here to make money. Yeah, you're obviously not analyzing things properly. Look, it's my opinion, brothers. I don't tell you what to buy. I'm not shilling. You buy what you want. I'm going to get rich. Bang! Yes, my tsunami is going to be nice. My killers, bang! My cryptocurrency warehouse is built nice. Bang! And I'm ready to kill this market, and I want you guys ready to kill it. Look, just give me my opinion. Yes, I don't tell you what to buy. That's how it goes, brothers. That's how it goes. But if you listen carefully, maybe he is telling us. Yes. Bitcoin Kong. Bang! See you, brother. Man, I can't even see your pictures, dog. I saw that Rolex watch thing you showed on your shit today. That was a nice piece. That was a nice piece right there. Yes, Kong. Kong is a man of class and dignity. Yep. All right, let's go. A couple more. Token Vision. Bang! What is he talking about? AAA game developer. Oh, AAA game developer. Tech, finance, YouTuber. Devoted to drive this space forward. Together, we are strong. United, we succeed. Oh, settle down, you fucking. Look, revolutionary, brother. Look. Together, we are strong. That's funny. Love you, brother. Bang. The darkness has arrived. Yes. The transcending low time traveler. Yes, darkness. Yes, the darkness. He gave us, oh man, we haven't even talked about this. So last year, look, it was all blood red. The darkness gave us the words of wisdom. The darkness. He gave us the words which we live by, the creed which we live by. This is the creed. If you're new here, the motto of this, not the motto. Is it the motto? The motto of this show is, shut up, wife. I'm about that hodl life. Yes. Shut up, wife. I'm about that hodl life. When she's yapping at you, wanting a new kitchen, wanting a new bathroom, you gotta tell her, look, sweetie. Look, sweetie. Now's not the time, sweetie. Look, sweetie. My Bitcoins just went up 300% since the beginning of the year. My Litecoins and Ethereum are up over 200%. Now's not the time for the kitchen and the bathroom, sweetie. Now's the time to buy some large caps. Look, sweetie. Go paint your toenails. Get out of here. Look. Justin, the darkness. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Oh, and we got all manner. Hold on. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Yeah. Love you, brother. Only going up 777. Bang. See you. Morgan and Grice. Senior Investment Advisor at Blue Star AMG. Blockchain and Bitcoin enthusiast. Bang. See you, brother. Nice. All right, that's enough. Hey, we got any more? Where's Stallion at? There she is. All right, let's get a couple more then. Jamal and Sam, see you, brother. Bang. And let's get some kisses, too. Bang. See you, sweetie. Luke. Bang. Love you, girl. All right. Oh, there's one more down here. Let's see who this guy is. Arthur Louis. I love life in general and whatever it has to offer. Well, you should. You're a sentient being. You love life. Bang, Arthur. All right, let's get back to your eye. Bang and live. Bang. Yes. Look, brothers. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Bang. Yes. So good show today. Of course it was. Look, crypto hearing in Congress. Oh, so that is the big juice today, guys. The big Congress hearing. So I'm gonna watch that, obviously, and I'm gonna link it to you guys, and we're gonna hear what the feeling of the Congress is about crypto. It looked good, man. I told you guys when I watched those Libra hearings, the Facebook thing, they didn't like that Facebook shit. But once they got to the crypto part, they were all like, "Oh, cool, nice, oh, interesting, quite innovative." Like they didn't mind. So we'll see tomorrow, though. We'll see tomorrow because it's not going to be any. There's not going to be any Facebook part about it. It's all going to be crypto. So we'll see. And then ErisX futures, they have tremendous interest. They said, good for us, bring the liquidity. But also, the next best thing, taking crypto out of the market, taking the Bitcoins out of the market with physically settled futures. And that's going to be amazing. But it's the same thing as, Shmo, you're always saying but. Well, brothers. But it's the same thing, brothers. The NYDFS, the New York Department of Financial Services, they need that one. So ErisX needs the one more approval by the NYDFS, and they'll be good to go. Just like we read about BACT the other day on Saturday, they need that one NYDFS approval, and the NYDFS is the hardest one to get approved by. That's the bitch. But that's what's great, is because once you are approved by them, come on, buddy, you're good to go. And Bank of China, yeah, their little infographic, man. That's it. They're getting their people ready slowly. So I am so bullish on China. In other words, India. So there's two. Look. If you're new here, look. In this world, 1 in 5 people are Indian. 1 in 5 people are Chinese. Okay, like let's get real about it. And so India. Yeesh. I was going to read you guys something last week, but I didn't want to read it yet because it wasn't confirmed or anything. So I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, I don't want to be disappointed. I'm a realist, though. But, we need one of those fucks. We don't need. I mean, once the Americans and the Brits and the Europeans come, that's enough money to us to make our millions. But oh, my gosh. I mean, if one of those come, it'll be super great. And so India, I don't know, man. I don't think that India thing is going to work out so much. That's going to be years down the road, I think. But China, bang, they are educating their people. We read it last year, Q4, remember, brothers? China made the people, not made them, but told the people, go buy the book, Investing in Cryptocurrency. In other words, they want to release it on their people. And now they have their official bank, state-owned bank, coming out with an infographic of it. Well, why are you coming out with an infographic if you're not going to let them invest in it? Come on. So China is coming on board, guys. That's going to be down the road at a slow pace, but it'll come. So look. Big money. November, December, brothers. Like I told you. So keep accumulating. Your job is just to accumulate. Keep filling your cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang. Keep filling it nice. Bang. Right now, while we're down here like this. Let me even show you, motherfucker. Look. All right, when we're down here. All right, look at all the cheap prices. Everything's on sale. Your large caps have moved. Your small caps have not moved. Fuck all. So just keep accumulating every paycheck. Look. Let me show you guys something. Let me say something, actually. Not show you. Let me say something. So here in America, all right, there's a sport, the NFL, and we have a coach. His name is Bill Belichick. Okay, and there's this team. They're called the New England Patriots. I almost forgot right there. They're called the New England Patriots. And they win the Super Bowl. I mean, it's like almost every year, pretty much. But do you know why they win? Bill Belichick tells his people one simple rule. Do your job. Every man, just do your job. If you just do your job, don't worry about what the other man's doing. Do your job to the best of your ability. And we will win this season. And they do. The New England Patriots, they never have the best offense. Yeah, they never have the best defense. They just have a bunch of good guys. But you know what all those guys do? They do their job. And then they win. And that's what you got to do, brothers. Do your job. Well, what's my job, Shmara? Your job's very simple, brother. Every paycheck, you take a little bit out and you put it, you invest in revenue generating product and you put it in a cryptocurrency warehouse. Bang. And then your next paycheck, you do the same thing. Bang. And the next paycheck, you do the same thing. Bang. And the next paycheck, you do the same thing. Bang. Why? Because one day, there's a tsunami on the way. Look, there's a tsunami of money coming. Oh, and it's coming. Chinese are bringing it. Americans are going to bring it. We're all bringing it. It's going to come. And so since you know that, prepare yourself. Like Noah. Look, why was Noah special? Noah in the Bible, the ark. Yeah, he was special because he knew of an event that was going to occur, and he took action. God told him there's a flood coming. So he built an ark. Yeah, the flood came. He was cool. Now, I'm telling you, there's a flood coming. Tsunami coming. Okay? So build an ark. Build a big old cryptocurrency warehouse ark. And when it arrives, you will be rich. So, brothers, that's good for tonight. That's enough. Let's shill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang, subscribe below, press the notification bell so you can get the notifications when this show happens. My name is Shamar Clark. Love talking crypto. Love talking money. Yes, favorite time of my day. Bang, my name is Shamar Clark. Look. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Have a good everything. Have a good day. And look, we have the congressional hearings coming up today. I'm going to put a link in the Twitter. And when the link shows up, I'll even throw it on the YouTube of this video that I'm about to upload to YouTube. So, bang, get ready for that. So, guys, love you guys. My name's Shamar Clark. Boom, I'm always on duty. Bang. Yes. Over and out.